Lesson 26. We've switched to the Bastien book, page 40. What I like about this one is we have the arpeggios and then immediately chord. Okay, so we have the C arpeggio and a chord. Let's do that. Go. C, E, G, chord. Then we do the same thing with the F arpeggio and chord. Ready? Go. C, F, A, chord. Then we switch hands to do the same thing. Ready? Go. C, E, G, chord. C, F, A, chord. Then we're going to have both hands doing C chord, F chord, C chord. Ready, set, go. C, 2, 3, F, 2, 3, C, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's do it from the beginning. Left hand first. And then we'll get the end and we'll repeat. Go 3, 4 time. Ready, set, go. C, E, G, chord. C, F, A, chord. C, E, G, chord. C, F, A, chord. C chord, F chord. C, 2, 3, 1, 2, repeat. On page 41, we focus on the chords mostly with the left hand. We'll have some chords in the right hand, but most of it's done with the left hand. So we have another song where they're putting the chords with the melody at the same time. Let's warm up first with our C's and F's and C's and G7s. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. C, F, C, G7, C, F, back to C. Let's do it again. Ready, go. Now we're going to do Kumbaya, which is an African spiritual. And the way it's like with Row Row Your Boat. Well, we had an earlier lesson, the way it's written out, so it looks really slow. So we're going to have to do a fast tempo to make it sound right. Otherwise, this takes forever. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Listen. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how it's going to sound. So let's do a quick analysis. We start C, E. It's like we're starting to do arpeggio, but immediately go to the chord. And it's dot a half note 3 beats, a chord note 1 beat, to a whole note 4 beats. Then we switch the F chord back to C. And we hold that C for 8 counts. And when we get to the second measure of that, we add the right hand. The next line starts the same as the first line. C, E, C chord, chord, chord. Then we're going down the scale. F, E, D, and then a G7 chord with the right hand. Then the first line, same as the third line, same as the first line. So once you know that, you don't have to practice that. So we'll go look at the last line, and it's just melody here with chords on top. So F, E, C, chord, D, D, C, chord. Let's do it. And 1, 2, 3, 4. C, E, G, chord, 2, 3, 4. F chord, back to C, 2, 3, right hand. C, E, C chord, F, E, D, 2. Here's a G7. 7 chord, like the beginning, C, E, F chords, back to C's, right hand, F, E, C, chord, D, D, C, 2, 3, 4, chord, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it again. I'm not going to say anything this time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very sweet sounding.